Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use your voice in Suno AI Music Generator. So first things first, you have to go and then type Suno AI, click this one right here, and then you need to create an account in order for you to use the feature. So you need to sign up. You can sign up using your email, your password. You can sign up using your Discord, Facebook, but for me the easiest way is through Google account. So I'm going to connect my Google account and here it is. So basically, we'll be focusing on how to use your voice or how to use your own voice in Suno AI. So there is this feature right here, audio, where you can upload your audio, your own music, or you can record your audio right here. So you have two options. You need to tap on the record if you want. Now you have to make sure that you have prepared your music, you have prepared your audio right here, because all you need to do is to allow Suno AI to have access to your browser. So just allow this time right here, and then you can now proceed with recording your audio. You can record your music right here, and then once done, then you can tap the red button and you will see the result right away. The good thing about Suno AI is that it automatically shows the lyrics of your audio. So once done, you can now save this. You can start over if you want to. Okay, so you can also add other options right here, but this one is optional. So once done, then you will see the result on the right side. Here it is. If you click this, you can hear your music, your audio at the same time, the lyrics. And also, you can share it directly to someone. So basically, if I'm going to tap this one right here, I have my option. I can see the lyrics below the music, and I can also save this to my playlist. I can send it to someone. I can share the music. And that's how easy it is to use your voice in Suno AI Music Generator. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.